It is site visit day again. So 2 projects yesterday and 2 projects today. And going to see how they're getting on. Yesterday I made a big decision. So I think like 2 videos ago, I was speaking about my quarterly goals / quarterly failures, like where I could improve on, why I didn't hit certain goals, etc. And I've come to realize it's kind of obvious, but like I'm diversified over too many things, doing too many things. So I'm going to do 2 things. 1, deal packaging, which I already do for my company Think Property. And 2, raise investor finance and start my own portfolio. I've been saying I'm going to be doing that next year. I'm pulling it forward to this year, pulling it forward to right now. And I'm going to be starting my own portfolio this year, 100% guaranteed. There's a lot of mental barriers when it comes to raising investor finance. Like, you feel like you're asking people for money rather than what it actually is. You're presenting an opportunity to people for them to earn higher percent on their capital, So it's a few mental barriers that I've gotten over, and it's just like taking the plunge. So now I'm basically gearing my marketing towards that. So for example, yesterday I'd done an Instagram story outlining how, we increased one property from 4 double en-suites and 2 studios to 3 studios and 3 double en-suites by doing a wee bit of configuration, and how it adds about 15 grand of value in the end and an extra £150 per calendar month. And then at the bottom of it, I'd done a small call to action. Just basically said, look, if you like the sound of this and you're interested in being a private investor and earning up to 12% on your capital, because I know you're earning fuck all with it being sat in the bank, then just comment yes below. Got a couple of comments, put together a Google Forms. So with the help of my mate Jim Holland, another investor, Jim Holland, follow him on Instagram, he's really good. And I reached out to him and he just helped me out with this form, put together that form. So asking these people to fill in this form, and basically, just outlines what position they're in, what they're looking to do, like what ideal relationship they'll have with me, what they're currently earning on their capital. I'll put the form below. If you want to be a private investor, fill it out. But, if not, just have a wee look at it and then let me know your thoughts. So, yeah, put that together and basically going all in on raising finance, starting my own portfolio. I want to do it before I'm 30. I'm currently 27. I'll get it done, but I want to do it before I'm 28. I'm also going to be putting email marketing together, putting some sequences together, automating that side of things, and making sure that I can provide value via email marketing, because there's a lot of value in these videos. If I sum it all up and put it into email marketing, plus do some exclusive opportunities, exclusive information that only the people in email marketing will see, then I'll be able to have that as a lead generator, So my big thing in order to find investor finance is social media. So top of funnel, this YouTube, top of funnel, Instagram, top of funnel, Facebook, and then use like a lead magnet, get in. And once they're in, provide actual good, valuable content via email marketing, not just stuff where I'm just constantly selling, you know what I mean? Like just genuinely provide exclusive email marketing value that only they'll see. So that is something that I'm wanting to do. That is my plan. Out there on the table. Now that's easier said than done. There's a lot of things that need to be done in the background, But having that clarity helps me a lot, and I recommend you doing it too. So when it comes to, like, I want to do all of these strategies, or I want to do all of these things, I want to raise investor finance, I want to mentor, I want to JBL, I want to do all these things. Just realize if you only have like 100% of your time and you're doing 4 things, each of those things are getting 25%, or something's getting, say, 40% and the other thing's getting like 10%, it's impossible to allocate a lot of your time to it. So if I just do 50% to deal packaging and 50% to raising investor finance. It's a lot of time allocated to each of them, or it might be like 60-40, 70-30. Probably be like a 70-30, 70% deal packaging, making sure that's going, because that requires a lot of my time, and about 30% raising funds from my own portfolio. That's my plan. Feel free to copy it. I don't know if it works yet, so if it doesn't work for you, don't shout at me, don't kill me. I'll let you know if it works, and I'll show you the sequences that I make, the automations that I make, the email marketing side of things, why I post what I post, my call to actions on social media, upping those, making sure that they're high quality and not too aggressive. You know, I'll show you all of that, make sure that it's good, and I'll tell you the results. If some of them are shit, I'll tell you this didn't work for me, and if some of them are great, I'll tell you, and I'll say that this did work for me. And here we are, Project Sun. Quite a lot's been done this week. A lot is ordered for next week. As you can see, the extension has been extended. It wasn't long enough before, so it's been rectified and extended to its true length. And this is where the ensuite for this double ensuite room is going to be. A lot of clearing out has been done, preparation for next week. Next week's going to be a really big week, and I'll talk you through it a little bit just now, but a lot of it's going to be in the description below. So next week we're having we've ordered the floors. Floors are going to be put in. Floors are going to be put in up there, all the way up there, which will allow us to then take off the roof once we have the scaffolding up, and then commence works on the L-shaped dormer. But I've taken out the floor plans so I can walk you through it. So here, in that room there, double ensuite. You've got U-shaped staircase here, so that's the U-shaped staircase, and it's going here, and it's going all the way up, and behind it you've got the ensuite. So tucked behind it, so ensuite, room, staircase, and here you've got the alleyway door, and that allows us to have more space. So the alleyway door's there, and you've got this U-shaped staircase. So if the door's here, the kitchen's here. That means the kitchen's going here, here, and here, right? And as we go through to the extension, there's another double ensuite room. That one there we were just in. That is a double ensuite room, and at the end, the ensuite. As we go through to the middle floor, this is going to be 2 studios. So the front is going to be a studio. See where that line is? It's going to be a bit lower. That is going to be studio here, and a studio up there. That's the old bathroom. That is still going to be an ensuite. The ensuite is going to be tucked in the corner of that bathroom, and above me is where that studio is, and behind the staircase there is going to be the ensuite for the front one. And on top, as we go into the L-shaped dormer, at the front of the house you have a double ensuite. So that is up here, the front of the house. And then at the back of the house you have a studio, 16 square meters, juicy one. So up there, when we do the L-shaped dormer, it's going to go over where that current bathroom is and where this current outrigger is here. So it's going to go here, here, and it will extend over the top there, and tucked in that L-shaped dormer is going to be the bathroom, and above it it's going to be a big juicy studio. So that is the site visit for this week, and I'm looking forward to next week because a lot's coming in now. A lot has been going out, like a lot's been removed from this property, and the lot's now going to start coming in. And this build team's fast. They are really fast, and they're really efficient. You know, they have so much experience when it comes to HMO conversions, especially. They are specifically only doing that. They're really good. So now I'm going to do some cinematic shots for you. I hope you enjoy. Remember to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Is there a